In today's episode, we've got sudden engine failures and helicopter crashes to emergency landings. These are some of the most insane plane crashes ever caught on camera. During an air show, this plane struck a small crane positioned right along its takeoff run.
Lovely touchdown here by Arthur, our local pilot in the Yak 3. Ran from, holy that's not looking good.
These two planes collided mid-air, ending in a catastrophic disaster.
Oh no! Oh my God!
This small plane overshot the runway during landing, careening off the tarmac and crashing directly into a car on a nearby public street.
Not good. Not good.
This plane lost control during its final approach and crashed heavily onto the runway.
Get the fuck away from here, like turn around. Bro, no, hold on. I think it's gonna crash, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Came there, bro.
This Mexican Navy helicopter suffered a sudden engine failure right during takeoff in Sinaloa. This Cessna suffered a total engine failure, forcing the pilot to execute a critical emergency landing.
No.
A US military helicopter was forced to make an emergency landing right in the middle of central Bucharest.